Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given that the function f is equal to 2 to the x plus 1. And given this, we're asked to find the graph of y is equal to negative f of x. So before we do that, we actually have to find what the equation is. So if y is equal to negative f of x, y is equal to negative, then f of x is equal to 2x plus 1, so negative 2x plus 1. Or sorry, 2 to the x plus 1. And if we distribute that negative, we get negative 2 to the x minus 1 is going to be the equation of one of these graphs. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take y is equal to 2 to the x, and we are going to do transformations to it. So firstly, we have this, and these graphs don't have to be big or accurate. We just have to know, okay, it's going to be this general shape, and it's going to go to the point 0, 1. That's all you need to know about this graph. And then we are going to do our first change is going to be y is negative 2 to the x. What this is going to do is going to rotate it about the x-axis. So instead of going through 0, 1, it's going to go through 0, negative 1. And over here, it's going to look pretty similar. It's going to be going pretty close to the y-axis, just on the other side this time, because it's been reflected. And then it goes off to positive infinity, so then it goes off to negative infinity. And then the last step is to turn it into y is to negative 2 to the x minus 1. So this minus 1 is going to be one shift vertically down 1 unit. So going from 0, negative 1 to 0, negative 2. And we had this asymptote at the x-axis, right, where it's going really close to x is equal to 0. That moves down 1, 2, so it goes really close to x is equal to negative 1 now. So it's going to look like this. It's going to go really close to x is negative 1, and then it's going to go through the point 0, negative 2, and then it's going to continue to go down. This is going to be the rough graph. And if we look which of these does this line up with, well, answer C goes through the point 0, negative 2, and none of the others do. You'll notice this one goes through 0, 2, 0, negative 1, and 0, negative 1. So, C is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.